Welcome back to my channel and welcome to another vintage tips and tricks video. Today I have a review for you, as you probably guessed by the title and also the little intro to the video. Just a little bit of a lookbook of Joanie Clothing, which is a lovely brand that contacted me via Instagram and asked me if I would like to try some of their clothing and tell you guys what I thought about it. And I will be honest, when I first looked at the clothing, I thought it was a little bit girly for me and was more on the kind of modcloth side of vintage reproduction, which for me is like not particularly authentic, but it was cute and I knew it was a style that some of you guys wear, and I thought you might like my opinion on it and what I thought and whether I thought it was like good quality and stuff. But to be honest, when it arrived in like this super cute packaging, look at these guys. What's with all of these vintage companies having like the cutest packaging ever? And they all come with like little handwritten notes. It's so sweet. When the stuff arrived and I took it out of the pack, I was genuinely so surprised. The quality is really, really good, and it's actually very authentic to the 1940s era, which I really wasn't expecting. So the first thing I will say about this company is that the clothing looks better in real life than it does on their website and on their Instagram. Maybe something they can think about like improving on, I don't know, but seriously, it's really good stuff. So I got two items from them. One was this adorable like 1940s sweater. I love the detailing across the front of it. It's super, super cute. The color's like really authentic in that it's like a mustardy yellow. I think on camera it turns out more yellow, but it's actually quite mustardy. Sage green and like these creamy white flowers. And like almost like a muted navy blue. The sleeves sit just above your elbow, which is a very like vintage feel. And the waistband section, as you'll see in the pictures, cinches in around your waist and then sits at a perfect level for like high-waisted pants. If you want to wear it with your Freddies or like a pencil skirt or something, you can totally do that. It's perfect for that high-waisted vintage look. Then, and this is probably my favorite thing, because I used to have an A-line 40s skirt and it didn't make it. It got cut. As you would have seen in my previous video, I had to cut stuff when I left Australia and came to the UK, and so my 40 skirt got cut. I kind of had worn it to death, so it was time. It was time, guys. But I got this gorgeous A-line skirt from these guys. I'm going to do the button up so you guys can see properly. This baby. So it comes mid-calf as a true 40 skirt should. 40 skirt should. I'm always giving myself tongue twisters in these videos. But what really surprised me is the pattern. You can see up close is like these little tiny poppies, I think. It is black with like a deep blood red, very much like my lipstick color. And then these kind of forest green leaves. And then these little tortoiseshell buttons. And the cut of this is superb. And the material is really lovely. It's almost like a crepe. I don't know what it's made out of. Let me have a look. Is it going to tell me somewhere inside? Yes, it will. Let's have a look. What does it say? It says, oh, it's polyester, 100% polyester, but it feels really nice, and it's all darted. I don't know if you guys can see, but there's darting all through the hip section of this skirt so that it sits really, really nicely. It's just got a couple of pleats at the front and at the back, and it is just gorgeous on, as you can see. And I like skirts that have buttons up the front. I don't know why, I have a thing about that. I've got quite a few skirts like that. So it's just another one to add to the collection. You guys would have seen a lot of photos of these on my Instagram because I got kind of a little bit obsessed and I wore this skirt like every day for a while. I'm gonna wash it now, okay guys? I'm gonna wash it. I mean, this never happens, but I honestly don't have any criticisms of this. It fits really well. It looks really good. What more can you really want? Usually I'm nitpicky about like the fabric or the finishing or like all this stuff, but there isn't anything to say. I just really like it. I should probably check whether it needs to be dry cleaned, but I'm imagining not. I think it's probably all washproof. Yeah, it's all machine washable, which is quite handy because so much vintage reproduction stuff is not machine washable. I don't know about you ladies, but I have a large collection of things that need dry cleaning, and I can't afford how much it is going to cost me to do that. Like, we're talking probably hundreds of dollars just to dry clean some stuff. So thank you so much to Joanie Clothing for sending me these items to try out. Feel free to go follow them and check out what else they've got. Their stuff is quite, like, they don't have what I would say staple items. They have very like individual pieces with quite a lot of patterns and stuff on them, but they could be like key kind of featured pieces in your wardrobe. So that's it guys, it's a short and sweet one today, but I just wanted to tell you that I found something new and fun, and I hope you guys liked it. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Click subscribe down below along with that little notification bell so you know when my videos come out. Come and join the Vintage Tips and Tricks community. We would love to have you. We're getting near 4,000 people now, which is crazy. It's gonna surpass this channel really quickly. I think a lot of people on there don't even know I have a YouTube channel. I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.